Hey, hi guys. Today we are going to see the best egg tools that helps us to cook perfect egg every time. And I'm going to share you the egg gadgets like egg boiler, egg slicer, egg beater, yolk separator, egg boil timer, egg holder, egg opener, egg roll maker, egg peeler and egg flipper. And I'm damn sure that this video is gonna help you and crave you buy all these egg gadgets to your kitchen. Watch this video completely for astonishing inventions in egg gadgets. Let's begin this video with a secret about myself. Actually, I'm a grown-up girl, but so far I don't even know how to break an egg properly and pour the yolk into the vessel. Whenever I break the egg, I put the eggshell along with the egg into the pan and make my egg wasted, simply wasted. But now, it crossed nearly 4 weeks that I have wasted eggs because I have purchased all the kitchen gadgets related to egg recipes to my home and I'm using it. I'm really damn happy that I'm surprising my family by giving a perfect omelette, and I have boiled my eggs properly in a correct consistency and doing all the things. All my recipes are best. Even I'm a beginner of cook, people are astonished how come she is able to do it. But my only answer to them is thanks to kitchen gadgets that I have purchased. And now I'm gonna share all those kitchen gadgets with you to help you in your kitchen to make the best egg recipes and make your family members open up their mouth saying wow. Okay, let's get started. The first gadget is an egg molder. As you see in this video, it is very easy to use. Just place the mold on the pan and pour the egg into it. It is very simple. Just pour the egg into the mold. Finally, the result will be awesome as you will get the shape as it is in the mold. The second gadget is an egg opener. This egg opener not only helps you to open the egg without any spills, it also helps you to decorate using the eggshell after the opening. These eggshells can be used to serve food, to place it on the oven to get the food prepared with an auspicious final touch. The third gadget is an egg slicer. However we try to slice the egg properly in a particular form, we will not be able to do it because the egg slips out of hand. So this slicer is playing a vital role in slicing out the eggs in a perfect shape. And it plays a vital role in decorating the plate as a final touch, as seen in the video. Actually, the strings used to cut the eggs are made of steel, and there is no harm out of it and easy to use. Look at it, how beautifully it is crafted. I'm loving its makeover and happy using it too. The third gadget is an egg boiler. It is more easy using it because the addition of water into it is very less when compared to the egg boiling on a stove. Its functionality is very easy. Just pour water into it and switch it on. It gets boiled and give you a signal that the egg has been boiled in best consistency. After a few minutes, you can see few droplets on the cap and the eggshell would have broken. Now open the lid and just take it out, keep it at biryani and swallow it. See how hard it is for her to peel off the eggs. And so, the fourth gadget is an eggshell peeler. It is actually difficult in peeling off a boiled egg. So, in order to remove the wastage of eggs, we have provided an extractor, that is an eggshell peeler, in order to remove the eggshells and give you the best out of it. Wow, what an amazing outcome. It is simple to use. Just tap, place it on it and cover and press. Now the product is perfectly peeled. The fifth gadget is an egg boil timer. When you add the eggs into the water, the same time add the egg timer into it. As the egg gets boiled and it is in the perfect consistency, the timer will tell you in such a way that when you take the timer out of the water, it will be completely white in color. This indicates that the egg is perfectly boiled. The sixth gadget is an egg flipper. Most of you would have thought, what is the necessity of using a flipper for an egg? Even we would have flipped dosas, rotis, etc. But it is not like that, because when you flip an egg, it is necessary that its components shouldn't fall somewhere else on the pan. We want it to be centered. So we are using an egg flipper. It's very useful for me. Seventh gadget is an egg roll maker. Have you ever consumed an egg roll? Actually, it is very yummy, but it's a bit difficult for us to make it in hands. So they have introduced an egg roll maker. Just put your components and egg into it, and finally your product will be on your hands, just like a fingertips. I feel like salivating. Eighth gadget is an egg whisker or an egg beater. It is semi-automatic. Just place the whisk on the egg and just press it off so that your egg get perfectly whisked, and there is no much effort and very convenient in using it. Actually, I enjoy doing it in my home. I feel like cooking with pleasure. Moreover, it is easy to wash and store. The ninth gadget is an egg yolk separator, which is playing a vital role in my home. Just pour the egg into the cup. Place it in such a way that the yolk stays in the bowl. The final gadget is an egg holder. Most of you will be searching places to store the egg safer. At the same time, you have to place it in a refrigerator. Usually, a refrigerator will not give you a maximum space for eggs, so that you can use this holder to store lots of eggs safely and healthy. Moreover, it is compact to use. Please do subscribe our channel for more inventions for a comfortable life.